Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install apps not available on Google Play Store. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So we're going to do this in 2 steps. The first is just going to be a reminder, but I'm going to take you to quick settings and then all settings. This is to just ensure you're a developer. So if you're a developer already, this first step will be done already. But if you're not a developer, then you need to do this before we comment. So I'll just need you to head over to the build number under about. So Android OS build, click on this 7 times and you become a developer. You see mine is saying you're already a developer, but yours will say you are now a developer after clicking it 7 times. Okay, if that's done already, let's head straight into installing and downloading application without the Play Store, or an application that is not on the Play Store. So we're going to be using the download application. This is a unique method. So we're going to downloader, click on downloader and open up the app. Now when the app launches, you're going to go to the top bar. Here we have a search bar. So just navigate to the search bar, click on it, and that will allow you to be able to type. So this is how we bring up a keyboard on the download application. So I've just clicked on that. That's why I have a keyboard now, and I'm typing for an application. It will be an APK since we're going to download something that is not on Google Play. So Facebook is a good option. This is a good example. So I'm trying to make this as generic as possible so that it can fit your particular need for the application that you're looking for. You may be looking for a different application, but the process is going to be the same. So most people don't know that downloader could be used to search for apps which you do not know their code. So if you do not have a code for the application, it's still possible to search for some apps on the downloader application. So I'm typing Facebook APK and now I'm going to run that search. So I'm giving it a couple of seconds to load. And while you're doing on your end, ensure your internet connection is smooth and stable for you to be able to search an application and download an APK from the web. It's also very important that I point out this particular part of it is going to be done in 2 ways. This is the first way you could do it. There's another alternative. So I'm downloading this application here, right on download application. It is going to be seamless, and I'm going to get the app on the APK downloaded to the storage of my Google TV. It's also possible for you to download this application on your Android device. So maybe you have an Android phone, you could download this application on there, send it to the Google TV using apps like Local Send or Send to TV, and from there you follow the next step, which is the same process. But here you see me using the best possible method. I'm going to download this Facebook application from www.facebook.com. So download Facebook, click on that link. It's going to load up the download for an APK. So that's a download button that I've been presented. So I'm asked to download APK. I just scroll down here and I click on download APK. So you can see it's very similar to if I were using a code. This is the same download interface that will pop up, and I have a 80 megabyte application which has begun to download. So my internet connection is touching at the moment. Just ensure you have good internet connection and relaunch the download, and it should pick up from there. So you see us coming to the end of the download. Now the download is complete. The application begins to stage. So the Android TV is staging the application, and now I'm being asked for your security. Your TV currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So you can change this in settings. I'm clicking on settings. This is why you needed to make sure you're a developer. And now the application we're working with, as you can see, is the download application. So all I need to do is give downloader the permission, and I can do that because I'm a developer. I'm giving downloader the application the permission to install unknown apps, and this source will be allowed. So I can click on the install button now, and you see how that app is installing to my device. So if you found that insightful, if that was informative, I want you to hit that like button. I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to actually join the family. This supports us. It actually gives us a lot of motivation to keep producing content like this for you. And if you've done that, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.